So my next guest today is Stephen Eggart. He's the president and CEO of a company called SurfTech. Great to see you, Steve.
Good to see you again, Trevor. Thanks.
Yeah. So you've got a fairly small mom and pop shop, but you are consistently known for quality and good work, and being the recipient of Global Technology Award again. So congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Tell us what's been happening there recently. What's been happening in terms of, you know, the factory equipment, processes, new types of jobs that are coming in?
Well, we're always trying to innovate and try and stay ahead of the technology edge.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here at the trade show and looking around and trying to make sure that we stay ahead of the curve as much as possible. What we've seen lately is we've seen a lot of customers trying to consolidate their operations and trying to streamline what they're doing. So in a lot of cases, they're sending us box builds where in the past we've only been doing the board assembly.
Okay.
In some cases for decades, and now they're just trying to consolidate what they're doing, consolidate different sites and things like that. And so that's led to a little bit of a boom for us in a lot of the mechanical box build type assemblies.
Right. Well, box build, of course, is very labor intensive. So you're having no problem finding people to work in that area?
At this point, no.
Right.
I know labor challenges always come and go, and last year things were very challenging. This year things seem to be a little bit easier, and in some positions it is very difficult, but mechanical assembly seems to be okay at this point.
Okay. So on the on your line, on your manufacturing line, you're looking to sort of make any changes. I know you mentioned something about looking at dispensers.
Yeah, we're out looking at, we do some staking every now and then, and so we're starting to look at dispensers and some potting dispensers and things like that.
Right.
You know, we bought a PVA last year for conformal coating, and so we've been offering that as a contract service for the last year, and that's been working out really great for us. But we are starting to find that we are having requirements that, we need a little bit of a different type of option available, some potting and things like that.
Right. Okay. Great. So are you changing up the mix of products that you're starting to do? Are you doing more medical? Are you doing...
We've seen a little bit more of everything. We're pretty diversified. We do some automotive stuff. We do some commercial stuff. We do some medical stuff and some military stuff.
Right.
And the ratios of that haven't really changed. We've seen a little bit of an uptick of everything across the board. So it's keeping us well diversified.
Good. What about EV work? Were you doing any on that?
I'm not doing anything on that at this point in time.
So
but we keep out there. Yeah, we keep poking around and seeing what's out there because there's a lot of business out there to be had.
Yes, absolutely. No, I think, and I think it's going to get busier after the election. I think there's some people holding off jobs till after the election.
You see that every 4 years.
Yes.
So I think if there's a clear result, I think is what everybody might be really hoping for, and I think that could loosen things up pretty quickly, especially for the end of the year where there's budgets that need to be spent.
Right, exactly. Yeah, great. Well, it's good to see that things are still going in the right direction, and you're moving forwards, and I want to thank you for coming in and giving us an update today.
Thank you, appreciate it. Good to see you.
Okay, thanks. Good.
The Arch FX manufacturing platform. Processing over 1 trillion data points each month, bringing value to every level of your organization. That's manufacturing insights for tomorrow.